Hey everybody, Chris here. We are going to make hummus today. I'll show you 3 different ways to use it that are super delicious. And making hummus, so easy, just takes a few things and just a few minutes. First thing we're going to do, drain our beans, and then we'll just blitz everything together. Tahini is probably the most fringe ingredient in this whole thing, but you can get it in most grocery stores. A lot of times it's by the peanut butter. Tahini is to sesame seeds what peanut butter is to peanuts. It's just ground up sesame seeds. So usually toasted and ground up. Super delicious. Here's our hummus. Let's show you some ways to use it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a hummus dressing and toss it with some arugula. That is yummy. Pinch more salt. It's good. Hopefully that was useful. Making hummus is so simple and it's great to have on hand for a variety of uses. So check out the full recipe. It's linked in the description of this video. If you add anything to it, I'd love to hear about it. Y'all take care.